Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click that subscribe button below. So today we are going to be making fresh fish okra soup. Stay tuned. So I am going to be using the mackerel fish. I have cut, clean and washed my fish, and I'm also going to be using crayfish and red onions and some garlic. So I'm going to be using red oil, and that is my okra. I have cut it already, and I'm using 1 pepper, and I'm using Maggi cube. This is my stock fish, but I have already cooked it for 20 minutes just to get it soft. And this is the water that comes from the stock fish. So now I am going to cook my fish first. I'm using half of my red onions, and I'm gonna grind the garlic and the red pepper, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt inside it. So now I am adding it inside. I'm adding the garlic and the red pepper and the salt inside the fish. And I'm going to be using the 2 Maggi cube. I'm gonna keep the other 2 for the soup. So now I have put my fish on the stove, and I just added a little bit of water, and I'm going to cook this fish for about 10 minutes. I don't want it to be too soft. So now the fish is done. I am taking it out of the pot. I just added the stock water from the stock fish that I cooked earlier, and I added a little bit of water again. So now I am adding the red oil inside the pot, and I'm going to cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes just to let the red oil cook properly. Now I have just added the stock fish, and I am going to cover it again and let it keep cooking again for another 10 minutes. So now I have opened it, and I'm adding my crayfish inside the pot. So after cooking it for another 5 minutes, I open it and I'm just turning it around. Now I am adding the 2 Maggi cube. So after adding the Maggi cube, I am going to turn it around properly, and after that I am going to be putting back my mackerel fish inside the pot. So I'm covering it up, and I'm cooking it for another 5 minutes. So now it is 5 minutes. I have opened it, and my soup is bubbling, and it's time for me to add the okra that I have already cut. So I'm adding the okra, and I also added the red onions now because I left the half of red onions. So I just added it now, and I'm just giving it a little bit turn around. I don't want to turn it too much so that the fish is not gonna crumble on me. So I'm just turning it gently. So now I covered it and I cooked it for another 5 minutes. I don't want the okra to be too hard or too soft, so I like it when it's in between, not too hard, not too soft. So I have cooked it for another 5 minutes and my okra soup is ready, guys. My okra soup is ready. All you need now is what if it's your oat pounded yam, your gari, your apple, your semolina. Bring it on, girl. This soup is sizzling and the aroma is so good. So this is my okra soup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more cooking video and more natural hair videos. Thank you so much and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.